Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Open your books at page number 11. Course books of active English at page number 11. Yesterday you have done the vocabulary. Today we shall read grammar portion. It is all about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense tells us about the things that are happening now. मीन्स जो चीज़ें अभी इस वक्त हो रही हैं उसे प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस कहते हैं. जैसे यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल आई एम टीचिंग यू एंड यू आर लिसनिंग मी. सो आई एम टीचिंग यू इज़ हैपनिंग राइट नाउ एंड यू आर लिसनिंग मी इट इज़ ऑल्सो हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. जो चीज़ इसी वक्त मौजूदा वक्त में हो रही होती है, कॉन्टीन्यूटी में होती है, एक तसलसल के साथ कोई काम, कोई वर्ब हो रहा होता है, कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म हो रहा होता है, उसे हम कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस कहते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर. हेयर इज़ अ व्हेल एंड इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर देयर आर seals. The whale is a singular noun. For singular noun, we write is as an auxiliary verb and seals are plural noun. For seals, we write are as an auxiliary verb. So in present continuous tense, the helping or auxiliary verbs are am, is or are. Am is always written with I, though I is a singular noun in English, but am is written always with it to express. Is written always when the noun is a singular person, place or thing, and are is written when we write plural noun. We add ing with the verb, first form of verb in present continuous tense. So when you will write present continuous tense, you will add ing with verb. Now in this picture you can see a whale. What the whale is doing? The whale is looking for food. Is a helping verb that is written with a whale, that is a singular noun. एक है, एक के साथ हम हमेशा is helping verb यूज़ करते हैं. Look is the main verb. You have added ing. ing is added with form of verb. The next picture is of seals. There are many seals, so it is a plural noun. The seals are. We write are with plural noun. The seals are swimming. Swim is the main verb, but we have added ing. So it becomes present continuous tense sentence. Seals तैर रही हैं. Fill in the blanks with verbs in the present continuous tense. First write am, is और are. जब आप noun लिखेंगे, noun के फ़ौरन बाद जो आपने लिखना है वो helping verb या auxiliary verb है, और वो आप लिखते हैं am, is और are. इन तीनों में से कोई एक लिखेंगे. am I के साथ लिखेंगे, is एक के साथ जो कोई एक हो, अकेला हो, और आर जब उनकी तादाद ज़्यादा हो या वो प्लूरल में हो, जमा में हो. देन ऐड ing टू द वर्ब इन द ब्रैकेट्स. और फिर जो वर्ब ब्रैकेट में दिए गए हैं उनके साथ आपने ing को ऐड कर लेना. गेटिंग ओके. डू द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. द एनिमल्स इज़ अ प्लूरल नाउन, सो यू विल ऐड आर. द एनिमल्स आर. Move is the verb. Add ing, then it is moving. The animals are moving freely. Number 2, the shark is again a singular noun. Add is. The shark is chase. Add ing. The shark is chasing a fat fish. Number 3, I. With I we write am. I am. Look, add ing. I am looking at the fish tank. Number 4, the crab. Crab is again a singular noun, so add is. Write is. The crab is crawl. crawl, add ing. The crab is crawling on the sea floor. Number 5, that seal. Seal is again a singular noun. Add is. That seal is splashing. Splash, add ing with it, then it becomes splashing. That seal is splashing in the water. So keep it in your mind that in present continuous tense we write first form of verb with addition of ing. We add am, is or are according to the nouns. Okay, understood? Getting? Fine. Now open your active English workbooks at page number 6. This is unit number 1, sea animals. Again the grammar page, verbs in the present continuous tense. So what you have to do, you have to fill this page according to your previous knowledge that you have gotten. So fill in the blanks with verbs in the present continuous tense. Write am, is or are and add ing to the verb in the brackets. This will be your homework. Do it and write it in your workbook very carefully and neatly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.